a top tourist and shopping destination, San Francisco is now falling apart before our eyes. Rising crime is now forcing another major American retailer to shut its doors there. Department store giant Nordstrom announcing yesterday it will close both of its stores in downtown San Francisco. That includes a location within the city's Westfield Mall and a nearby brick-and-mortar Nordstrom rack. The company is saying in a statement, quote, "The dynamics of the downtown San Francisco market have changed dramatically over the past several years, impacting customer foot traffic to our
What organism do you believe is stronger, a tuffle or Moro?
also chiming in on the news, quote, "The planned closure of Nordstrom underscores the deteriorating
And
situation
what would happen if either one of these two were either fuse
retailers and employees. The current environment is unsustainable for the
and
community.
use each other's powers for one
On
goal?
top of crime, the city is facing rampant drug use and homelessness. Fox's own Laura Ingram took to the
There's only one way to find out, and that's to watch. Will we win or will we bust? Here's the answer. We're gonna win. In case you hadn't noticed, tonight we're drawing the fusion of, well, Lord Tuffle. Yeah, that's what I've been calling baby. And of course, well, you know this one, Ultra Instinct. Tonight we're gonna Ultra Instinct fighter that comes after the fight against Broly.
like a little heartbreaking interaction to have. I mean, when you see this, you understand these are people. They are desperate for help. But when we don't
This may not be the match we thought we'd get, but this will still be a good one nonetheless. For those of you who don't know, Face-Off Phil decided to join back with his old hockey team for one last night. Apparently they're in the Stanley Cup playoffs, and their original goalie ended up hurting his pinky, so he's not able to play. Good luck out there, Phil.
This is a total ripoff! I wanted to see Face-Off Phil and the Lost Viking go head-to-head! Hockey stick against axe, Zamboni against boat, Maple Leafs against... what does Vikingia have?
Yep,
Vikingia!
got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's nasty, he's vicious, he's so darn toxic that you'll want to puke when you're around him, and literally, for the slimy singing straws, the Scorpion! The Scorpion was a good sport tonight, having his match bumped up a lot earlier, which is good, because I don't think that the commissioner wanted to get stung by him anytime soon.
I wanted to see a battle axe, not the Scorpion! I'm angry!
There's his hair.
Representing the Mighty Dexteros, I'm calling the Thunder from down under, but first he needs to gain about 30 more pounds. It's Gary the Intern! Just like the Scorpion, Gary the Intern got the notice that his match was moved up a couple days ago. Here's hoping that he kept up with his training homework.
If he did not, I will fail him! That will be strike two for him tonight!
Sunny Strong, Dexteros, arms up, roll! If they claim, and lock him up.
4, 3, 2, 1, who is strong star? We may be going a bit early, buddy, but don't think I'm gonna take it easy on you.
Well, I didn't think you would, mate.
Anyways, here's the
Still need me to prove anything.
here's the baby Moro's arm pad.
Yowza! Early into the first round, and the Scorchion's already on a furious frenzy.
Imagine how much cooler this would feel to Viking, but no, things don't go the way I want. What's the matter? Too tired already?
Speaking of Vikings, I think I've gotten a few Thumb Wrestling Federation stuff gotten here.
Alright, good. Ah!
I should have known that would happen. Okay, don't stop. Nice.
Oopsie, flipped.
Round one is over, and things don't look the best for the Mighty Dexteros, do they? Right, bossy this friend. I think I can take you down a few pegs. Stand on.
I'm not scared of you, you little pipsqueak. I'm gonna chew you up and spit you out.
Nasty.
Gotta catch me, don't you?
Hey, stop
Here's his hair.
talking. I'm trying to hit you.
Down. You don't seem to be very good at it. The Scorching goes in for a hit, and Gary reverses.
I've had about enough of you.
Really? Because I'm just getting started. There he is. The Scorching
Wait, why am I laughing at this?
Tiger Stinger.
It's Tygon Stinger. They're getting it wrong.
Official title. It's crazy. So, no one's the point. No one's listening.
Here's his hair.
No one's listening. Dick, come on.
Colonel, Gary just got stuck with the Tiger Stinger, and you really expect me to talk about this again?
Tygon Stinger.
You feeling a little down under the weather?
That was almost clever. Hey, Gary,
This is the part where he vomits.
all right? Heard that first puke.
Poor Pinky. Can he ever catch a break?
Don't worry, water boy to the rescue. Thanks, Gary.
No problem. Do you need anything, Gary?
Oh, I might need a little bit of lemon water, some cloud soda, some...
Oh man, he barfed on Batboy.
Steroids. In more ways than one, might I add.
All right, I will admit the other match was not about this. I'm actually afraid.
Good to hear, Colonel. Glad to see you.
How can I forget? The Scorchion always has vomiting involved.
Gary's still fighting to get up.
What a waste of time. Get that down and continue. You can't seriously think you're gonna win.
I'm an Xterra. And what it means to be an Xterra is to know your strengths, so that you can use them, not for personal gain.
That, he has a point.
Wonderful people out there who don't want to be enslaved by the likes of you.
There's nothing you can do. You're gonna give me a haircut or something, and I'm not gonna like it, so I'll demand a discount.
First of all, I never give bad haircuts unless I intend to. And
There we are.
second, I got more strengths than just cutting hair. I can also style. Here's that jelly you wanted, Gary. Thanks, mate. I may still not be feeling the best, but I can still muster up enough strength to beat you, Scorchion. The Scorchion goes in for another sting, and Gary douses the Scorchion's tail with hair gel.
What the? He can't move. He can't sing.
It's not just hair gel, mate.
There's his-
It's Orphan paste hair gel. The strongest stuff there is. Now your looks are sharp, not your pinky. But I ain't done yet. Religious pompadours! Gary scaling the Scorchion's hair to look like a clown afro? That is not
There we are.
the look on it.
That is how you draw.
He looks kinda silly.
That's how you draw a Baby Moro fusion.
He's silly. He's silly.
Yeah, one of my favorites.
Even if I can't use my pinky,
Let's see what character you want me to show up next.
laughing at me. It's
Okay, I think this.
knock it off, Russell.
But today's wrestler. And by the way, it's time for TWF wrestling reveal. This one will be Grayson Glitz versus Erg. Yeah, that's right. I kind of got this idea for an exhibition match, kind of like the one I saw in the old days. Well, last year. Congratulations for that. And also, I did Evil Ira versus Snagglefangs. I mean, look at them. Their body designs are the same. And the other one would be Weredog versus Sir Serpent. Yeah, I got those done. I also did Evil Ira versus Corbata. And the last one would be, well, a twice postponed match between Evil Ira versus Bucks Gazillion. But Evil Ira knows that he's always a good person, and he would never give in to fake cash. In your face, Bucks Gazillion. Anyway, that's all for now.